Looking to sharpen your hunting skills with the best gear? The best deer hunting rifles of 2025 offer unmatched accuracy, power, and dependability to help you succeed in the field. Whether you're tracking a trophy buck or perfecting your aim, these rifles bring together cutting-edge technology and trusted design. Let's explore the top picks that will make every hunt more precise and every shot count. Wilson Combat NULA Model 20. In the heart of the wild, every step counts and every ounce carried can make a difference. Imagine trekking through rugged terrain, the sun dipping low, and your trusted companion, a rifle that feels like an extension of yourself. The Wilson Combat New Ultralight Arms Model 20 is that partner. Crafted not just for precision, but for the relentless hunter who demands reliability and lightness. Its carbon fiber stock whispers strength, while the stainless steel button rifled barrel, around 20 inches and threaded 5/8 by 24 for suppressors, promises unwavering accuracy. Chambered in popular calibers like .308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and .243 Winchester, it delivers guaranteed sub-1 MOA, precision with group sizes near 1.04 inches at 100 yards. The Timney Elite Hunter trigger offers smooth, adjustable pull weight, while corrosion-resistant armor lube DLC coating ensures durability. Weighing just 4 to 5 pounds and balanced for easy offhand shooting, the Wilson Combat NULA Model 20 is the perfect companion for hunters who demand excellence. Sako 90S Adventure. In the unforgiving wild, a hunter's trust depends on precision and reliability. The Sako 90S Adventure delivers both with unmatched craftsmanship and thoughtful design. This rifle features the smooth, reliable Sako 93 lug push, feed bolt action with dual plunger ejectors, easily disassembled for quick field maintenance. Its cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel, 20.1 inches long and threaded M15X1, offers exceptional accuracy, especially in calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor. The stock, reinforced with carbon fiber around the receiver and recoil lug, combines durability with a rubberized, textured surface and adjustable cheek piece for perfect ergonomics. The trigger pull is user-adjustable across 5 weight settings, tailored without disassembly. Safety features include a 2-position lock and override bolt cycling. An integral Picatinny split rail allows easy, repeatable scope mounting. With a flush, detachable magazine and weighing 6.4 to 7.7 pounds, it's available in many popular hunting calibers, making the Sako 90S Adventure a versatile choice for serious hunters. Ruger American Rifle. Out in the field, every detail matters, from the feel of your rifle in hand to the smoothness of each shot. The Ruger American Rifle is built for hunters who value reliability without breaking the bank. Its ergonomic synthetic stock fits comfortably, while the cold hammer forged barrel promises steady accuracy mile after mile. The patented power bedding system locks the receiver in place and free floats the barrel, ensuring every shot counts. Smooth and customizable, the Ruger Marksman adjustable trigger lets you fine-tune pull weight to fit your style. With a 3-lug bolt designed for fast cycling and a Picatinny scope base ready for your optics, this rifle adapts easily to your needs. Available in popular calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor and .308 Winchester, the Ruger American Rifle is the dependable partner every hunter deserves. Remington 700 SPS. Every hunter dreams of a rifle that delivers steadfast precision and rugged durability without demanding a premium price. The Remington 700 SPS answers that call with a trusted legacy of the iconic Model 700 series. Its action and cylindrical receiver, machined from solid steel bar stock, provide a robust bedding platform, ensuring consistent accuracy through the 3 rings of steel design, locking the bolt face inside a counterbore barrel breech for superior strength and safety. The carbon steel, matte black barrel features 5R rifling for enhanced accuracy and easier cleaning, with lengths from 20 to 26 inches depending on caliber. The ergonomic synthetic stock with over molded gray grip panels offers secure handling, while the compact version improves maneuverability. Equipped with a crisp Timney Impact 700 single-stage trigger and a detachable box magazine, It's ready for optics via drilled and tapped receivers. Weighing around 7 pounds and chambered in popular calibers like .3, .08 Winchester, and 6.5 Creedmoor, the Remington 700 SPS balances modern reliability with classic performance. Browning X Bolt 2 Hunter. In the quiet anticipation before the perfect shot, every detail matters, and the Browning X Bolt 2 Hunter is built to excel in those moments. Its redesigned X Bolt 2 action features increased bolt guidance surface area and a 60-degree bolt lift with a radially fluted 3-lug bolt, Sako style extractor, and plunger ejector, ensuring smooth and reliable cycling. The adjustable DLX trigger offers 0 creep, 0 take-up, and 0 over travel, factory set at 3.5 pounds and tunable down to 3.0 for a crisp, safe pull. Choose between classic satin, finished walnut, or lightweight composite Veritech stocks with adjustable length of pull, comb height, and interchangeable grips, all with secure overmolded surfaces. The free-floated Sporter contour barrel, finished with matte blued coating and bedded for accuracy, comes in 22 to 26-inch lengths. With a 2-position safety, X-Lock scope mounting, and low-profile detachable box magazine, the Browning X Bolt 2 Hunter delivers precision hunting tailored to you. Christensen Arms Mesa. When the hunt calls for precision and endurance, the Christensen Arms Mesa rises to the challenge. Imagine stalking through rugged terrain, carrying a rifle that feels like an extension of your own skill lightweight, yet uncompromisingly strong. With its hand-lapped, button-rifled stainless steel barrel and stainless billet receiver, every shot is backed by guaranteed sub-MOA accuracy. The Mesa's fiberglass or carbon fiber composite stock locks the action securely, offering repeatable precision and resilience against the elements. The TriggerTech match-grade trigger delivers a crisp, clean break, tuned perfectly between 2.5 and 3.5 pounds. Weighing just around 6.5 pounds, it balances rugged durability with effortless carry, made for hunters who pursue their prey over long distances. Finished with Cerakote for extra protection and built with no-nonsense reliability, the Christensen Arms Mesa combines elite performance with practical design for every serious hunter's journey. Weatherby Vanguard Series 2. Every hunter dreams of a rifle that combines rugged strength with pinpoint accuracy, the kind that inspires confidence in every shot, no matter the conditions. The Weatherby Vanguard Series 2 is precisely that kind of companion. Featuring a fully enclosed bolt sleeve and a one-piece forged steel receiver with an integral recoil lug, it ensures toughness and consistent barrel bedding. Its cold hammer forged 24-inch barrel, often fluted for added durability, maintains precision with popular twist rates. The adjustable match-quality 2-stage trigger, preset around 3 pounds and tunable down to 2.5, offers a crisp, clean break. Safety is paramount with a 3-position system locking both trigger and bolt. The composite Griptonite stock, with Monte Carlo comb and textured grips, secures your hold in any weather. With detachable magazines, sub-MOA, accuracy guaranteed, and weighing approximately 6.75 pounds, the Vanguard Series 2 balances reliability and sharp performance for any hunt. Sako 90 Peak. In the high country where every step is a challenge, the Sako 90 Peak stands as the ultimate hunting companion. Weighing approximately 5.7 pounds, it is one of the lightest bolt-action rifles available. Crafted with a robust 3D meshed carbon fiber stock that offers a textured grip in all weather conditions. Its stainless steel, cold hammer forged barrels, wrapped in carbon for reduced weight and increased rigidity, deliver lasting match-grade accuracy. The legendary Sako push-feed bolt action guarantees reliable, safe operation, complemented by a machine and Picatinny rail for flexible optics mounting. The multi-adjustable trigger provides 5 pull weight settings and an adjustable blade for a crisp, personalized trigger pull. Built for durability with a UV-protected carbon fiber stock and a low-noise signature, it includes a radial muzzle brake to tame recoil. Chambered in popular calibers and sporting a magazine capacity of 4 to 5 rounds, the Sako 90 Peak is a precision tool built for serious mountain hunters. Marlin 1895 SBL. In the world of big game hunting, power and tradition go hand in hand, and the Marlin 1895 SBL embodies both precision and strength. Chambered in the formidable .45-70 government, this stainless steel lever-action rifle balances classic design with Ruger's modern manufacturing excellence. Its 19.1-inch cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel, threaded for muzzle accessories, delivers consistent accuracy. Crafted from machined 416 stainless steel forgings, including a spiral-fluted, nickel-plated bolt, it offers smooth cycling and durability. The adjustable ghost ring rear aperture and tritium fiber optic front sight provide enhanced target acquisition even in low light. Safety is assured with a positive push button, crossbolt manual safety, and traditional half-cock hammer. The gray laminate stock with checkering ensures a firm grip in all weather, while features like an oversized lever loop, Picatinny rail for scopes, soft rubber butt pad, sling swivel studs, and offset hammer spur add versatility and comfort. Marlin 336. In the timeless woods where every hunt tells a story, the Marlin 336 has been a trusted companion since 1948. Chambered in the legendary .30-30 Winchester, this classic lever-action rifle delivers smooth, reliable cycling through a polished bolt and CNC machine steel receiver. Its cold hammer forged 20.25-inch barrel offers consistent accuracy with a satin blued finish that stands up to the elements. The American black walnut stock, beautifully checkered and paired with a soft rubber butt pad, offers both comfort and classic style, while the adjustable semi-buckhorn and brass bead sights ensure quick target acquisition. Weighing around 7.5 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between rugged durability and manageable recoil. Designed for forest and brush hunting, the Marlin 336 is the iconic rifle that feels like home on every hunt, embodying tradition and trustworthy performance. Rock River Arms LAR-15. On the line where precision meets reliability, the Rock River Arms LAR-15 stands tall as a versatile AR-15 built to perform. Whether defending your home, competing at the range, or outfitting for tactical missions, this rifle delivers consistent, smooth shooting with its 16-inch chrome, moly steel barrel and proven mid-length gas system. Crafted with forged and billet receivers and topped with full-length Picatinny rails, it offers a solid foundation for your preferred optics and accessories. The crisp single-stage RRA trigger, housed in an oversized winter guard, ensures confident control even with gloves on. Its adjustable 6-position stock and ergonomic grip deliver comfort tailored to you, while the free-floating M-LOK handguard invites endless customization. Ready out of the box with a 30-round magazine, the Rock River Arms LAR-15 is the dependable platform shooters trust to perform every time. Savage 110. Hunter. For hunters who demand precision without compromise, the Savage 110 Hunter delivers unmatched reliability and comfort from the first shot to the last. Crafted with a robust bolt action and weighted around 8 pounds, this rifle features the innovative AccuFit system, letting you tailor the stock's length and comb height for a perfect personal fit. Its matte finish carbon steel barrel, button rifled for consistent accuracy, provides sub-MOA precision right out of the box. The user-adjustable Accu-Trigger ensures a crisp, safe pull adjusted between 2.5 to 6 pounds, enhancing control in the field. Weather-resistant with a tungsten Cerakote finish and a synthetic stock with overmold grips, the Savage 110 Hunter stands tough through all conditions. With calibers ranging from .223 Remington to .300 Win Mag, this rifle flexes effortlessly across hunting adventures, making every shot count. Bergara B-14 Timber. In the quest for the perfect big game rifle, the Bergara B-14 Timber stands out as a blend of tradition and precision engineering. Imagine the confidence of a smooth, 2-lug bolt gliding effortlessly, paired with a 24-inch button, rifled chromoly steel barrel wrapped in durable graphite Cerakote that promises accuracy shot after shot. Its classic Monte Carlo American walnut stock meticulously crafted with metal-infused bedding pillars, offers not just beauty, but steadfast stability to keep every shot true. The curved adjustable trigger feels crisp and responsive, while the crush zone recoil pad softens the impact, making long days in the field comfortable. With proven sub-MOA accuracy and a choice of popular big game calibers, the Bergara B-14 Timber is built for hunters who demand both performance and timeless style. Those were the best deer hunting rifles of 2025, built for precision, power, and reliability in the field. If you found this guide helpful and want more reviews, tips, and hunting gear breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't miss out on the latest hunting insights that could take your next hunt to the next level.